vintage posters here. But the fabulous 50s flashback. But the one I really want to see is this Star Wars one, which is quite interesting. So it says sidewalk sale, July 6th through 10th, Store Wars, the Monroeville Mall. It says something by Gimbals. Remember we made the joke about Gimbals. Come to the Jedi Adventure Center now, July 17th. Jedi Hall of Fame. See concepts, photos, documents, artwork, and behind-the-scenes displays, many never seen by the public, from Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi. Jedi Photo Center. Be photographed against the photo display duplicating a scene from Return of the Jedi. Please bring your own camera. And most interestingly, I wonder if there's any recordings left of this. The Jedi Communication Center. Talk with a distant galaxy with special phones. Pick up one phone and receive an ominous message from Darth Vader. Pick up another and get the good news from C-3PO. Very interesting. And again, I wonder if this was something that was at many different malls. Probably around 1983 or so. Just some more interesting, again, hopefully we don't run out of batteries before we see all of these. Best birthday in town, the Monroeville Mall, sidewalk sale, jazzy sidewalk sale, Easter, Father's Day, Christmas, Washington's birthday weekend, fall in love with the savings, and call someone you love anywhere in the continental United States free at the Monroeville Mall, the Fountain Court, and then Christmas magic, and that's it. All right. So we hope you enjoyed the vintage posters at the Monroeville Mall in Monroeville, Pennsylvania, the site of the Dawn of the Dead. All right. How do I turn this thing off before we run out of batteries?